Hello guys! Ayan, magdidilig tayo ng ating kasi may lakad kami today. So, habang wala pang marami pang oras, we're going to water the plants. Ayan. Water the plants, guys. Kasi baka mamatay yung ating mga plants. Look at that! Ang dami kong mga kangkong and eggplants and of course alugbati na ang dami-dami. Ayan, that's my alugbati, guys. I have more seedlings here na mga ano ba yun, tomato, and look at this, those are kangkong. I have lots of kangkong, guys. More kangkong, more blessings. Ayan. So, ito naman is yung garlic. Ayan, ang ating garlic. Ayan. Ang ating sili. Manghang na sili. Good morning! What do you think, guys, of my hat? My beautiful hat. Ayan. Nabili ko lang siya sa Ross. Ang ganda, diba? You can go to my hat. This beautiful hat. Ang aking magandang hat, guys. Ayan. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Fantastic.